Want to snag some Solana using the convenience of Google Pay? Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to find a crypto exchange or platform that actually supports Google Pay for buying crypto. Not all of them do, so this is key. Coinbase, Binance in some regions, and Kraken are good places to start checking. Head to your chosen exchange and search for Solana. Make sure you're selecting the correct Solana asset. The ticker symbol is usually SOL. Now, find the buy button. It's usually prominently displayed, and tap on it. This is where Google Pay comes in. On the payment method selection screen, look for the Google Pay option. If it's there, select it. You'll likely be prompted to verify your identity through Google Pay, which could involve fingerprint scanning or facial recognition. This adds a layer of security to your transaction. Review all the details on the confirmation screen super carefully, especially the amount of Solana you're buying and the total cost. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase, and that's it. Your Solana should now be in your exchange wallet. Remember to consider transferring your SOL to a private wallet for enhanced security. Happy trading!